but is full of laughter. Imagine a grain-shaped meat slicer that's so fun you'll want to run it 24/7. The juicer helps you quickly get a glass of fresh fruit juice in just a few minutes without having to waste time cutting, peeling, and pureeing fruit manually. Have you ever struggled with peeling pumpkin, pineapple, or other fruits with thick skin? KS720P is your savior. With just a few simple steps, the KA720P can peel fruit much more quickly and effectively than doing it manually. Do you often buy pre-peeled fruit at convenience stores? If the answer is yes, have you ever been curious about the magical fruit peeler that saves us time and effort? You love the delicious, succulent taste of pomegranates but are afraid of the time-consuming process of peeling pomegranates. Then the perfect stainless steel pomegranate peeler is the solution for you. As we draw the curtains on this enlightening exploration of industrial food machinery, we extend our deepest appreciation for your unwavering support and participation. Your presence has been instrumental in making this journey a resounding success. If you found value in our discoveries, we invite you to like and comment, ensuring our sheer journey continues to inspire. Stay tuned for more enriching content in our future episodes of GoTech. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep innovating, and we'll eagerly await our next rendezvous. GoTech isn't just a conduit to unique experiences. Satisfying video, it's a wellspring of inspiration. Continually elevating expectations and delivering astonishment through the latest technological breakthroughs worldwide.
Continually elevating expectations and delivering astonishment through the latest technological breakthroughs worldwide. Don't miss out on the chance to delve into the captivating world of satisfying video content with GoTech.
Freshly sliced and packaged meats are not only the perfect combination of quality and convenience, but are also the top choice for anyone looking for freshness and safety in their meals. Family. The highlight of this machine is its ability to slice evenly and accurately, from vegetables to meat and cheese. Chopping food ingredients is faster and easier than ever, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. By using this nozzle, you can ensure that the brine and seasonings are evenly distributed inside the meat, creating a layer of delicious and rich flavor from the inside. This not only adds flavor, but also keeps the meat tender and seasoned evenly from the inside out. With its powerful and diverse capabilities, This machine not only helps you puree meat quickly and effectively, but can also crush bones easily. The versatility of this grinder allows you to create produce ground meats with fineness or consistency, depending on usage needs. With a 3D cover, the SliceVille 650 slicer not only keeps users safe, but also prevents food from falling and becoming unbalanced while being sliced. This ensures that each slice of food is uniform in size and thickness, giving every dish a professional and appealing look. The arms of the cutting machine, they operate powerfully and precisely, moving quickly to cut each piece of vegetables perfectly. Each time the blade sharpens, the vegetable slices are cut with great precision. Each piece is even and uniform in color. The cutter's arms not only cut quickly, but also maintain the uniformity and quality of each piece of vegetable. This process not only saves time but also creates standard pieces of vegetables, ready for preparing delicious and nutritious dishes. Watch the blade operate powerfully and gracefully, like a sculptor creating his work on a sunrise scene. Each time the blade descends, it cuts through the carrot softly, yet ensuring precision and uniformity. The feel of each cut is a symbol of craftsmanship and delicate adjustment. Imagine a fresh scene when a sophisticated and modern device cuts fruits quickly and powerfully. With each cut, fresh fruit slices are separated naturally and smoothly, retaining their freshness and sweetness without damaging their shape or quality. It's not just a cutting process, but a demonstration of sophistication and professionalism. Each precise and quick movement of this device creates regular and attractive slices of fruit, making anyone who sees it admire and want to enjoy. Admire the wonderful beauty of the golden lemons growing on the conveyor belt. Each fruit is like a precious gem shining in the cool green space. The lemons are trimmed evenly and beautifully, like small gems with natural beauty and intense vitality. The bright color and pleasant scent of lemon radiate in gentle waves, making the surrounding space feel refreshing and fresh. The conveyor belt moves gently and smoothly, carrying lemons like precious gems in the hands of a sculptor. Each lemon is like a work of art, a perfect combination of nature and humans, giving us a feeling of satisfaction and satisfaction when we see it. Have you ever felt inconvenient and time-consuming having to peel corn before enjoying it? Let me tell you about a more convenient and faster way to enjoy the special taste of corn. During the preparation of corn on a modern production line, corn peeling has been automated to bring convenience and save time for everyone. Looking at the image of the line, you will see professional robot arms working delicately and accurately, removing corn husks step by step.